No, but it's overall, it's cute naman. But I'm not good like the other people on TikTok coloring. My God, I'm not creative at all. So this is what I'm trying to do today. So I wanted everything to be pastel and pretty and pink, like how I would want my future house to look like. But so I colored the curtains pink, right? And then I don't know why I colored the pader yellow. So now I'm like, parang di bagay. So now I do not know what to color the appliances. I don't know. Tapos nilalagyan ko ng strawberries yung wallpaper. But now, I feel like ang dami nangyayari. May strawberry sa wallpaper, tapos may flower sa curtain. I don't know. But, andito na tayo. So, yeah, make it pastel. I know I'm trying. I bought my coloring book sa Orange app. Girl Moments! That's the name of the coloring book. There are so many other kinds. Girl Moments, Cozy Spooky, Cozy blah 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 blah. I'm going to block this person who keeps saying sino yung nasa likod mo, because that's such an old joke. Goodbye. Dami bang options sa coloring book? Yeah, super. Dami talaga. There are so many different. Meron pa nga adult coloring book like mga crime scene, coloring book, etc. Ito lang, demure lang tayo. Sweet girl tayo eh. So I'm trying to put strawberries on the wallpaper. I don't even know. And I also use this TV. This is a TV, by the way. Para lang siyang iPad, but it's a TV and you can rotate it, whatever. I use this because the reason I bought these coloring books and coloring materials, the reason I bought them is because I want to lay off my phone. I want to stop being so addicted to my phone. So, I need inspiration. So, I use this TV na lang to search on Pinterest kung anong magandang theme or like how to draw patterns, because I wasn't born with a talent for coloring or for drawing, but I can copy. So, credits to everyone I'm copying. Alexa, do you have a Kindle? No, I don't. I want one. But I have so many books. But it's been so hard for me to read books because I get so distracted because of my phone. All I do is phone. I do is phone. I don't even know how to draw a strawberry. So it's just a bilog. Okay. A strawberry is just a bilog. A half bilog. Alright. Let's see nga if it'll come together if I put green for the leaves. My favorite. Oh no! There. Try beige or cream. Oh nga no, for the appliances. The coloring pens I use, nako, marirestrict na naman yung live ko. Because I mentioned my coloring materials and na-report yung live ko. Can I show it without saying the brand? I don't know. There. I hope and I pray hindi maano. Any tips? Because I'm also addicted to my phone. Girl, I'm just like you. I need tips too. I'm addicted to my phone and I hate that I am. So yeah, I'm trying to find a hobby. And it's so cute because AC Bonifacio and I, parang we get into the same things at the same time. So sabay kami na na-addict sa mga bag charm, ganyan. Tapos ngayon, sabay kaming nahihilig sa coloring. And it's so fun because we plan coloring dates or coloring sessions and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna try to put green first. Whereas my favorite shade of green? My favorite shade of green is sugar cane, but I think I need a darker green. So I have the Códigos here naman for the colors. Maybe I'll use a bud green or a yellow or a grass green. Yeah, let's look for grass green. And then I organize the colors by color. Where's the green, grass green? I want here, bud green. I hope to God this is cute. Because if it's not cute, I'm gonna cry. So a strawberry has a 1, 2, 3. Oh, not bad. Kind of looks like a strawberry. Not bad. A 1, 2, 3 bud with a tangkay. That looks like an acorn. A 1, 2, 3 bud with a tangkay. Hey, ba't mukhang mani? I'm not that good at coloring and drawing. You should try clay charms. Oh my gosh. Another hobby, another hobby. Do you also paint? No. No, not really. That's something I also want to try. Clay, sorry, what's the name? Clay paint? Clay pot? What? That clay thing. But I feel like it's makalat. And I feel like it's a hard hobby to have when you have cats. Because I'm also really into Lego. I have so much fun with Legos. But it's so hard when you have a cat. Because they want to mess everything. And they want to eat everything. So, ang hirap. Bakit hindi mukhang strawberry? Mukhang mani. So I'm currently baking. Oh, we don't have an oven because I'm not much of a sweet tooth. So we don't really bake here at home. Also, mapipilitan akong kumain if I bake. Do you crochet? No, I don't. So, medyo mahirap din to find a hobby, no? Kasi malabo yung eyes ko. So, the first day I colored, muntik akong isugod sa hospital because I had the most painful migraine I've ever experienced in my 25 years of living on this earth. So, I think napagod yung eyes ko from coloring and medyo over-fatigue pa from ASAP, taping. In fairness, may pagka-strawberry naman siya. No slight. Imagine niyo na lang na strawberry to. Pero sa totoo lang, it looks like an acorn. Maybe we have to put seeds. What color should the strawberry seeds be? A darker pink, probably. I'll show you the strawberries kapag na-complete na. So guys, I won't be entertaining any questions about PBB because I talk about that every Saturday sa Pinoy Big Brother, the online verse, diba? Doon na lang natin pag-usapan lahat ng everything related to PBB. Kasi sayang naman, diba? Kaya tayo nandoon para pag-usapan natin ng mga kaganapan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Oh no. Ang hirap lang when you have so many pens na paghahalo-halo ko sila, which ayoko kasi kailangan maayos sila. Okay, let's look for a nice red. More putok. Maybe a rose bouvard. What is a bouvard? Rose. Okay, let's try this. Let's see if ito ang perfect strawberry seeds. Oh yeah, that's cute. It looks like a watermelon. Where did you buy your eyeglasses? I got my eyeglasses from Vision Express. Pwede ba ako magpatugtog? Cause may nagsabing bawal. Have you tried going blonde Girl, yes. I used to be a blondie all the time. I was blonde during PBB. I was pretty blonde when I was doing Para-Perasong Paraiso. Ew, nakakadiri yung mga butas. Yeah. Dinot-dot-dot ko yung strawberry ng diri ako sa butas. I'll just put little para hindi kadiri tignan. Hindi, kadiri. Yuck! Nakakati ako. Okay, nagsisisi akong kadiri. Yuck! Wala na, sila na yung strawberry ko kasi kadiri. Eh! Andidiri ako kasi yan yung mga strawberry, guys. So, nilagyan ko ng butas. Kadiri. Kadiri, tignan yung butas. Oh, parang may rashes yung strawberry. Pero wala, may strawberry siya. Kailangan niya ng butas. But ito, hindi naman kadiri. Maybe just 3. And let's not make it a butas. Let's make it like a teardrop. I don't know. Let's see. Rotate that body. It's good though. I like the blend color you put. Thank you. Shaggy shapeto. I watched your Bohol vlog. Thank you so much. Rotate that body. Da 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 da. Shaggedy shapopo. Shaggedy shapopo. Shaggedy shapopo. Do your dance. Na 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 na. Usually, what time do you sleep? A.M. 1 to 2 a.m. 1 to 2 a.m. Or not at all. Just kidding. Top from TikTok shop. I love the sandos sa TikTok shop. Okay, now we just have to finish all the strawberries here. Shaggy is the new song of Bini. Let's patugtog it. Do your dance. 4, like 1, 2, 3. Shaggedy shapopo. Shaggedy shapopo. More time. Ang dami nagtatanong. My glasses are from Bulgari. I got it from Vision Express. Nagka-grade ba yung eyes mo after LASIK? Yes. Nagsimula siya sa 2020, tas umangat ulit. So ngayon, 100 and 125 na ulit yung grade ng eyes ko. Do your dance. Shaggedy shapopo. Shaggedy shapopo. Shaggedy shapopo. Ha 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 ha. Do my dance. Hindi ka nagpunta ng album launch ni Colette? Hindi nga eh. Kasi may ASAP taping ako nun eh. Whole day pala kapag ASAP taping. Akala ko makakahabol pa ako. So, itong atake natin today, ito ang fantasy natin, mag-color. Tapusin ko lang yung strawberries, then I will show you the finished product. Pero huwag kayong mag-expect, kasi hindi naman ako magaling. Have you guys seen the new trailer for Wicked? Wicked for Good? My God. heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason. Da-na-na-na-na.